Hello there, welcome back to another OET Learnuary. This is day 7, so we've actually reached the first week of our OET Learnuary challenge, which is of course to watch one of my videos, one of my OET Learnuary videos, every single day this February, and these are aimed to help you improve your OET ahead of your test. We might be focusing on vocabulary or do some exam practice or help build your skills. And in this video, what we're looking at are some useful phrases connected to duration. And that, of course, is a question that could come up in your OET speaking role play. So let's imagine that the setting of the role play is a home visit, and you are visiting a parent for his or her baby son's routine 6-week check. The parent is concerned about the baby's bowel movements because he's constipated. On the task card, it asks you find out further details, and they give you lots of things in brackets, maybe 3 things, and one of the things is duration. So, how can you find out about duration? Well, you can't just say, and what's the duration of the constipation? A, that doesn't really make sense in English, and B, we can't just copy the same word from the task card and use it in everyday speech. That's not what they're looking for in the OET. You need to kind of translate that from the medical, formal, professional task to the more everyday manner of speaking. So what can you say instead? Well, here are a couple of examples you could ask. And how long has this been going on for? Or you could just ask, when was his last poo? So when was the last time he had to go to the toilet in his nappy? So either asking how long this has been going on for, and the parent will say 3 days or however long it's been, or they'll give you an indication of a day when his last poo was. So when we're looking at duration, think about using a phrasal verb like goes on with the preposition for. So something goes on for an X amount of time, or it lasts for X amount of time. This isn't really for constipation. It might be for a feeling of numbness, for example, in a different situation. So duration goes on for or lasts. Or if you want to find out when something began, when was the last time something happened? Even though we have last and last, we have different meanings here. This one lasts is the duration idea, whereas the last time is the onset. When did this last happen? When was the previous episode of something being normal? Okay, well, I hope you found that useful. Do come back and join us for another lesson in OET Learnuary. See you then. Bye-bye.